गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं चैप्टर फर्स्ट नंबर सिस्टम ऑफ क्लास 9th। नंबर सिस्टम, डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इस यूनिवर्स के अंदर जितने भी नंबर्स हैं वो सभी 10 न्यूमरल्स होते हैं। न्यूमरल्स 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, ये हमारे 10 न्यूमरल्स हैं। जितने भी नंबर्स होते हैं वो सभी 10 न्यूमरल्स से मिलकर बनते हैं। नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट द टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर्स। टाइप्स ऑफ नंबर्स। नंबर 1, natural number. Natural numbers, the numbers which can start from 1 but they have no end points, such as 1 2 3 dash 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 and so on up to infinity. This is infinity. That is undefined, जिसको हम डिफाइन नहीं कर सके। सेकेंड, होल नंबर्स। द नंबर विच कैन स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0 but they have no end points, such as 0 1 2 3 dash 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 up to infinity. Number 3, even numbers. The number which can completely divisible by 2, such as 2 4 6 8 dash 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 up to infinity. Odd number. The numbers which cannot completely divisible by 2, such as 1 3 5 7 up to infinity. Next, number 5, prime number. The numbers which have only 2 factors. The numbers which have only 2 factors, in which one is 1 and other is itself number, such as 2 3 5 7 11 13 17 and so on up to infinity. Next, composite number. The numbers which have more than 2 factors, such as 4 6 8 9 10 12 14 15 dash dash up to infinity. Dear students, in prime numbers, 2 is such a prime which is even. Other prime numbers 3 5 7 11 13 17 all are odd. 2 is such a prime which is even, and smallest prime number is also 2. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Smallest composite number क्या होगा? 4. 4 is the smallest composite number, and 9 is the smallest composite odd number. Next type है, rational number. Rational numbers, the numbers which can be written in the form of p upon q. We have P and Q are integers. P and Q are integers, but Q not equal to 0. क्यों 0 नहीं होगा? हाँ, P की वैल्यू क्या हो सकती है? 0 हो सकती है, इंटीजर होनी चाहिए दोनों P और Q, बट Q not equal to 0. Next type, irrational number. Irrational numbers. The numbers which cannot be written. Which cannot be written in the form of P by Q. Next type है real number. The collection of all rational and irrational numbers. Collection of both rational and irrational numbers are called real number. Now we discuss about exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. Question number 1. Is 0 is a rational number? Can you write it in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0? 0. Yes, 0 is a rational number. Because we know rational numbers are those numbers which can be written in the form of P upon Q. And we write 0 equal to 0 by 1, 0 by 2, 0 by 3. So 0 is a rational number. Now question number 2. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We find out 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. We write this 3 by 1 and 4 by 1. We find 6 rational numbers. Dear students, there are so many numbers between 3 and 4, but we find only 6 numbers. So we multiply and divide both our numbers by 7. थ्री को हमने मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड किया 7 से, सेम एज 4 को भी हम मल्टीप्लाई और डिवाइड करेंगे 7 से. ये क्या आएगा 21 by 7 and 28 by 7. So 6 rational numbers between 21 by 7 and 28 by 7 are 22 by 7, 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7 and 27 by 7. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Find 5 rational number between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Dear students, there are so many numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5, but we find only 5 numbers. So we multiply and divide both the number by 6. 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. These are 18 by 30 and 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30. So 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5 are 19 by 30, 20 by 30, 21 by 30, 22 by 30 and 23 by 30. Now question number 4. Question number 4. State whether the following statements are true or false. Give reason for your answer. Part first. Every natural number is a whole number. Every natural number is a whole number. This is true because every natural number is whole number. Natural number can start from 1 and whole number starts from 0. Every natural number is a whole number, but it is not necessary that every whole number are natural. So it is true. Part second. Every integer is a whole number. This is false because integers are negative but whole numbers are not negative. So every integer is not a whole number. So this is false. Part 3. Every rational number is a whole number. This is also false because 1 by 2 is a rational number. 1 by 2 is a rational but not a whole number. So every rational number is not a whole number. Since this is false, so exercise 1.1 is complete. आशा कि आप सभी को यह हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगेगी, इसलिए आप सभी इस वीडियो को जितना हो सके लाइक एंड शेयर करना और हमारे YouTube चैनल SGS को सब्सक्राइब करना। अगर किसी का कोई डाउट है तो उसको कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखकर कमेंट करना। थैंक यू।